everybody, my name's Emma. Welcome to my kitchen table. Today I'm going to show you how to do a simple little origami heart. For this little exercise I'm using my child's previously done artwork just on an A4 piece of copy paper. You could also use some old gift wrapping paper, newspaper or scrapbooking paper, as long as it's got the dimensions of an A4 piece of paper. So the simple steps to create our heart today is flip over your artwork or piece of paper so that the pattern side is down. We're going to fold it in half and we need to match up our corners fairly accurately along the long edge. Smooth it out. There we go, nice fold here. Open it back up again, turn your piece of paper around, fold it in half this way. Open it back out again. Okay, this time we have a fold here and we have a fold here. We want this fold or this line here to end up running along here. So what we're going to do is flip the corner up. You've got a fold here and it continues into this fold here. And you end up with about an inch line along the side here. Okay. So we've folded it diagonally. Now all we have to do is fold up the corners. So we've got one point here and we just want that to match this point here. It folds fairly easily because this edge has already been folded. And now we flip our heart over and now this corner needs to match this corner here. Okay, so it's looking pretty cool, but it's a little bit pointy at these points here. So on each point we just need to fold it over about 1 centimetre. So which side do we like best? I think I like that side best, so I'm going to fold the tops down about 1 centimetre so they look a little bit the same, and then also these pointy sides. So there you have it, your beautiful heart. You can give that to a loved one or keep it for yourself. Thanks for joining me today. Bye bye.